Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make bottle gourd stir fry. Join with me. So I start with pouring the oil. Now I add mustard seed. These are the ingredients: jeera, little urad dal, dry chili, curry leaves, onion, tomato, turmeric, and my homemade idli podi. Next I add jeera, then I add the urad dal, add the red chili now, give it a stir, curry leaves, little turmeric or haldi, add the chopped onion, this is being sauteed well. So now I add the chopped tomato, let it cook till soft. I am closing it with the lid for a while to get it softer. I open it now to check, add salt as desired. This is a chopped bottle gourd or soraka that I've kept ready. Now I'm going to add it to the masala. Here it goes. Always check the seed inside. If it is sweet and fine, it is good to cook. If it is bitter, it's better to avoid. That's a tip for today. So it's getting cooked. Now I'm going to add my homemade idli podi, for which I'll put the video soon. Have a look. This is all as per your taste. Stir it and cook it for a little more time. Now as a final touch, I'm going to add grated coconut. This is also as per your wish, 2 to 3 tablespoons or 4. I'm just adding 3 here. Give it a stir fry. Here it is ready, served in, and I'm going to have it along with my pulka roti. That's my lunch for today. Hope you all enjoyed it.